People's daily life is inseparable from electricity, but the electricity system we depend on is facing many challenges: environmental damage, energy shortages, and rising electricity prices. Using safer, greener, and more cost-effective energy has become the consensus and urgent need of increasingly more people. EP Cube, a flexible, intelligent residential energy storage system offering a new way to power your home. All-in-one compact design, integrated inverter, battery, and all components needed, saving installation time and costs. Supports up to 17 APV connections to efficiently store clean, renewable solar energy, enabling complete self-generation and self-consumption. With integrated smart energy management, EP Cube can store electricity from the grid when prices are low, helping you reduce your energy bills effortlessly. EP Cube achieves high power consumption and can be connected to other devices like EV chargers, generators, and heat pumps. Modular, stackable design provides flexible configuration that allows energy storage combinations from 5 kWh to 40 kWh. Lithium iron phosphate battery meets IEC standards for long-term safety and stable performance. With the EP Cube app, you are always in control. Monitor energy production and consumption anytime, anywhere, and receive alerts based on real-time weather data. Stay always powered thanks to 24/7 power outage detection and automatic backup. Your home stays up and running even when the grid goes down. EP Cube, a flexible, intelligent residential energy storage system